And after the revelation that material records of 2002 communal violence in Gujarat were destroyed, these are the allegations being made. There are questions, of course, being raised on this new controversy.
ये क्या है कि जो सब जगह पे टेलीफोन रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं, टेलीफोन का इनकमिंग कॉल्स और आउटगोइंग कॉल्स का रजिस्टर होते हैं, व्हीकल की लॉगबुक्स होती है, मूवमेंट डायरीज होती है ऑफिस के, उसमें से आप पता चला सकते हैं कि उसको ऐसा कोई टेलीफोन मिला था वो मीटिंग में जाने के लिए कि नहीं मिला था। दूसरी बात यह है कि वो मीटिंग में गया था कि नहीं गया था। तो ये सब चेक करने के लिए वो सब रिकॉर्ड्स होते हैं। तो ये रिकॉर्ड्स किधर है? और ये 2007 में डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया, उसके बाद अभी ये सब बात आती है।
Constitutionally elected government, when it knows and is aware that the call records, the intelligence records and the car movement records, these are all material evidence in the ongoing criminal cases, also in their own reference before the commission. I think it was almost a criminal act if they have actually destroyed. Yes, I have read from the media. Because such a declaration was not made before the commission, because that again is a very wrong thing to do. Come out of the commission and then declare it before the media that they have destroyed it, and then accuse Mr. Sanjeev Bhatt of using that fact. I think these are all extremely irresponsible acts. It amounts to destroying material evidence which are required for proving the cases before the court. We also will do our best to see to it that the government not only comes out officially, but I think the government must do everything possible to reconstruct the record if they have anything left. Otherwise, I think they should be held responsible for destroying material evidence required in a criminal case, and they should be dealt accordingly.
Special investigation team to inquire the involvement of the ministry, ministers, and Chief Minister in the 2002 riots. SIT is investigating the whole matter, but Government of Gujarat is bent upon to destroy documentary evidence as well as to tamper the witnesses. It is very unfortunate that while the final decision regarding the credibility of the SIT are to be decided by the Supreme Court. At that juncture, it is known to the Commission that the documentary evidence of the 2002 riots have been destroyed intentionally by the Government of Gujarat. I think it is the first case in the history of India when the Supreme Court is investigating the matter, and one government is bent upon, not only bent upon, but already destroyed the documentary evidence. So it is whole matter should be investigated, and who is behind the scene to destroy this documentary evidence.